Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to search songs in Samsung Galaxy A16. If you're using A16 and you want to search for songs, let's see how can you do that. Just through different way. The first way is that you must have to keep a long press on this home option and it will open Google overlay. You must have to tap on this song icon. And here you just have to search with song name or title which you want to search. It will set for that. And there's a second way, just scroll down your control center and open quick settings. From here, you must have to add the feature of song search. If you are not getting here, just tap on this edit icon, then tap on edit, then tap on song search option, and then done again. Once you have that, you will get the song search option here. Now whenever you want to search for a song, you must have to tap on it. Then it will open the same overlay. You must have to search with the song name or title for which you want to search. So that's how you can easily search songs in your Samsung Galaxy A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.